Have you ever wondered why you're naked? Not in a weird way, in an evolutionary way. Every other great ape, chimps, gorillas, orangutans, is covered head to toe in thick fur. They're our closest relatives. We share almost all of our DNA with them. And yet somewhere along the line, we lost the fur. We became the naked ape. Why? Why did ancient humans lose their fur? First, a twist. We didn't actually lose our hair. Count the hair follicles on a human and a chimpanzee, and you'll find roughly the same number. The difference isn't how many hairs we have, it's that ours became so short, fine, and colorless that our skin looks bare. So the real question isn't where did the fur go, it's why did it shrink into near invisibility? And scientists have a few powerful theories. Theory 1, and the strongest, is all about heat. Picture early humans on the open African savanna. No shade, relentless sun, and a brand new survival strategy. Instead of sprinting like predators, we became endurance hunters. We couldn't outrun animals in a short burst, but we could outlast them. We'd chase prey for hours under the blazing sun until the animal simply overheated and collapsed. It's called persistence hunting. But there's a catch. Running for hours in the heat generates enormous body heat. Fur traps that heat. Overheat your brain, and you die. So we evolved a radical cooling system. We shed the thick fur, and we became the sweatiest animal on Earth. Humans have up to 5 million sweat glands. That sweat evaporates off bare skin and cools us down fast. Fur would have ruined it. Bare skin made it work. We didn't lose our fur despite being hunters. We lost it because we were hunters. Theory 2 is a little grosser. Parasites. Thick fur is a paradise for fleas, ticks, and lice. These aren't just itchy, they carry deadly diseases. Less fur means fewer places for parasites to hide. Once early humans had fire, clothing, and shelter, they didn't need fur for warmth anymore. So going bare may have been an upgrade, trading a warm coat for a body that's harder for parasites to infest. Theory 3 is about attraction. Some scientists think smooth skin became a signal of health. Bare skin makes it easy to see signs of parasites or disease. So choosing a mate with clear, healthy-looking skin may have been a way of choosing a healthier partner. Over thousands of generations, that preference could have pushed us toward less and less fur. Beauty, in this theory, literally shaped our species. So when did all this happen? Scientists have a clever way to estimate it, by studying lice. Human head lice and clothing lice split into separate species at different points in time. By tracing their DNA, researchers estimate we became mostly furless somewhere between 1 and 2 million years ago, long before we wore a single stitch of clothing. Bare-skinned figures standing in the sun, then the sun darkens their skin tone. And here's a beautiful connection. Once we lost our fur, our bare skin was exposed to intense sunlight for the first time. To protect against harmful UV rays, our skin evolved to become darker. So fur loss and skin color are two chapters of the very same story. So why are you naked? Because 1 million years ago, on a hot African plain, being bare made you a better hunter, a cooler body, a harder target for parasites, and maybe even a more attractive mate. The fur didn't just disappear. Evolution traded it away for something better. You're not missing your fur. You're wearing the upgrade. Beat. Figure gives a thumbs up, a little breeze ruffling their few remaining hairs. If you found this interesting, subscribe, because there's a whole world of questions we've stopped asking.